You may've seen this Florida man kicking an alligator or Gumbo Slice meme is a big black man eating pizza or kicking alligators in a swamp. The name Gumbo Slice is a play on the name of Kimbo Slice, a famous fighter and boxer. The images are not real but AI generated. The meme originated from a Facebook page called Uncle Mike's Photography, also known as Extreme AI Art. The page uses artificial intelligence to generate realistic images from text prompts. The meme spread to other platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and Instagram, where people started creating their own variations and fan art of Gumbo Slice. Some of the images showed him fighting like a Japanese warrior, others showed him in various video games and movies. Some people found it hilarious and creative, while others found it offensive and racist. The meme is one of the most popular memes of October, and it shows how AI can be used to create amazing and absurd images. Whether you love it or hate it, you can't deny that Gumbo Slice has made an impact on the meme culture. What do you think of Gumbo Slice?